Yo, look at you, walking around like you forgot where you came from. You really think you're better than everybody now? You ain't been home but a few months, and you're already acting different. You don't answer nobody's calls. You don't come outside. You stay ducked off, like you're too good for the hood. What's wrong? Scared? Come on. Ain't nobody trying to hurt you. They miss you. Your boy's been asking about you. Matter of fact, they got money to make. Real money. Not that little paycheck you're killing yourself for. You know how this works. One move, one lick, quick cash. Everybody eats. Then afterwards, we celebrate. Just one hit, one blunt, one rock. Whatever gets your head right. You already know the feeling. No stress, no parole officer, no bills, no nightmares about that cell. Just peace. Besides, you already did your time. You paid your debt. Why you still punishing yourself? Come outside, the block still loves you, and deep down, you know, this is where you belong.
Hold up. Play the tape. I remember chasing that first high, thinking I was finally free. Then one hit became every day became every hour became, how the fuck am I gonna get money? Then came the lies. I'll pay you back. This is the last time. I got you. I swear. Bullshit. Every damn word. Smoking until sunrise, eyes bloodshot, no sleep for days. Hallucinations, scratching his skin, paranoia, looking through blinds, thinking everybody was after him. Then came the stealing, robbing people who trusted me, breaking into cars, running from cops, running from myself, every day, just trying not to be sick. That's where your road ends. Not at the party, not with my boys, not with easy money. It ends right here. Steel doors, concrete walls, lost years, a mother who cried herself to sleep, and a man who almost forgot who the hell he was. But you didn't forget. Recovery is worth protecting every single day.
Man, shut the fuck up. The block don't love me. The block buried my friends. The block put my mother through hell. The block watched me destroy myself and called it normal. You talking about quick money? That quick money cost me 4 years. You talking about my boys? Where the fuck were they when them cell doors slammed? Who put money on my books? Who answered my mother's phone? Nobody, not one of them. You keep talking about peace. There wasn't no peace. There was paranoia, running, looking over my shoulder, sleeping with one eye open, stealing from people who loved me, lying to everybody. I wasn't living. I was surviving, and barely at that. Yeah, I'm lonely. Yeah, I'm broke. Yeah, every day feels like a fight, but I'd rather fight for my life than hand it back to your ass. You ain't my home, you're my prison, and I already did enough time. I'm done.
Did you notice what addiction just did? It didn't offer drugs first. It offered belonging. It reminded Derrick of familiar streets, old friends, easy money, and a version of himself he worked so hard to leave behind. That's how relapse often begins. Not with a craving, but with a memory, a neighborhood, a phone call, a face, a feeling. Recovery isn't just quitting drugs. Sometimes it's leaving behind the people, places and patterns that kept feeding them. The hardest part isn't getting clean. Sometimes the hardest part is going home. Because addiction doesn't care if prison couldn't keep you. It hopes your old environment will. Don't let yesterday convince you that it's your future. If you're trying to leave the streets behind, you're not weak. You're fighting one of the hardest battles there is. Like, follow and share the Inner Fix for real conversations about addiction, mental health, and recovery. Because your past may explain you, but it does not have to define you.